understanding the role and meaning of groomsmen in weddings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very special term used in wedding ceremonies: groomsmen. Whether you are learning English as a second language or are just curious about wedding traditions, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Groomsmen are male friends or relatives chosen by the groom to stand with him during the wedding ceremony. They have various responsibilities, such as helping the groom get ready, organizing pre-wedding events, and assisting during the wedding ceremony. The term groomsman is plural, referring to more than one person. A single member is called a groomsman. Groomsmen play a significant role in supporting the groom. They help in organizing the bachelor party, a celebration for the groom before the wedding. They also assist in coordinating the wedding rehearsal, ensuring everything runs smoothly. On the wedding day, they help the groom dress up, provide moral support, and sometimes help in coordinating the guests. They also participate in the wedding procession, either walking down the aisle themselves or escorting bridesmaids. The groom typically chooses his closest friends or family members as groomsmen. It is considered an honor to be selected. The number of groomsmen can vary depending on the size of the wedding and the groom's preferences. Being a groomsman is not just about standing beside the groom during the wedding. It signifies trust, friendship, and responsibility. The groom is trusting these individuals to play a crucial part in one of the most important days of his life. It's a way of honoring the special bond they share. And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of what groomsmen are and the important role they play in weddings. It's more than just a title. It's a role filled with responsibility, honor, and friendship. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting English language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.